Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up the kids profile on Netflix application. So if you want to ensure your kids watch only age-appropriate TV shows or movies, you can just watch the steps in here. And here I'm going to do it on mobile, so it's pretty easy. You can just open the Netflix application. So once the app is open, here you'll see the options to add a profile. Click on that button. Now you can set up the profile name. For example, I'm going to go with this, and here you can change the profile icon. Click on the pencil icon in here, and you'll see lots of options. You can choose your kids' favorite characters on Netflix. For example, I'm going to go with this one, and don't forget to enable this options kids profile. So toggle it on so that this profile will only be made for kids 12 and under, and you will have all the controls. Let's try to use the to change the icon again. Okay, now once you're done with the name and the settings in here, tap on save. Okay, so as you guys can see, the kids profile will be labeled as kid, and if you want to modify the settings more, you can click on edit, choose the kids profile that you just created, and in here you can adjust the maturity rating. You can choose the age appropriate TV shows and movies. You can also add a profile lock, modify the display language and subtitle, as well as the appearance. Here you can also choose whether you want to turn the autoplay on or off. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.